I am not good at conflict. That is a story that I told myself for years until one day when I was sitting in an ER closet, I hit rock bottom of my career and I realized that it was time for a change. Moving past that point and having thousands of really tough conversations, lots of trial and error, emphasis on the error, a master's degree, and several leadership positions, did I realize that conflict has a predictable structure and that a lot of leaders in healthcare, ranging from charge nurses to C-suite, don't have these skills. And it's not an individual problem, it's a skills deficit. It has nothing to do with you. No one taught you how to navigate conflict. So now I am still an ER nurse, but I also facilitate workshops, keynote presentations, and coaching, all to help leaders navigate conflict with intentionality and clarity, but also help people push their comfort zones into their growth zones. I am a wifey, an aunt, a sister, someone in general who just loves being active, an amateur cook, which is why I'm in my kitchen right now. I have two cute dogs. Hi, Cece. Cece and Luna. Something I never thought I would be is an advocate for conflict. Because at the end of the day, you have the opportunity to turn conflict into connection. And there is nothing more human than conflict. It will pop up, especially in healthcare, where we are in the business of people. Thank you for following along on the ride. I never thought I'd be an entrepreneur. I never thought that I would own a business, but here we are, and it has been so much fun and so rewarding. Thanks for keeping up.